Hello Standard 10th, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and happy with your online studies. Is that? Well, this is video 2, means part 2 of chapter 1. Okay, so children, I hope you have done very nicely your chapter 1, part 1. Okay, now we will continue with some other tags of HTML in this video. Fine. We start with the first tag of this video is A tag, means anchor tag. In the text in HTML document, to control its format letters, additional information is also needed addressing it. So sometimes some matters are required to be more specifically clarified. In HTML document, some letters or groups of letters are in blue colored and underlined and are known as hyperlink. Students, hyperlink is shown as A, in which A means anchor. Understood, children? Hyperlink is used to make hypertext and to connect it with some other document or join two HTML documents. Clusters of many web pages are known as website, which get controlled and managed by hyperlink. Here the web pages we have prepared follow exactly HTML code. So the A tag defines a hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another. The most important attribute of A element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. By default, links will appear as follows in all web browsers. Like, first, an unvisited link is underlined and blue, means a web page address in a blue link, okay, and that is underlined. That means you have not yet visited it or open it, okay. Second, a visited link is underlined and purple, means the website address is underlined and purple, means you have opened it, you have visited it. Third, an active link is underlined and red, which is continued, that is underlined and red, which is active. That link is underlined and red. Understood, children? Here example is given, children. Okay. Now we go to absolute or relative address. Fine, children. Observe the line ahref is equals to p4.html. Okay. Click here to visit theory of rainbow. That is A tag shown in code listing. Okay. Instead of giving a full address such as http www.schooldomain.com p4.html, we have given only the file name p4.html, only the file name. Giving just a file name will work only when you have the calling file, that is p3.html, also called parent file, and called file, that is p4.html, also called referred file, in the same directory. The location of the called file is relative to calling file. Hence, it is known as relative address, while the complete address is known as absolute address. If the referred file is located one directory above, so we may prefix dot and slash to the file name. Got it, children? Note, if no path is provided, the browser will understand that the referred file is located in the same directory where the parent file is stored. Here, complete and connect address hyperlink code address can be written in following two ways. Method 1, href is equals to http://www.computerstudies.com p4.html. Click here to visit the theory of rainbow. Anchor tag closed. in this method, the complete address is given. You can see such a long address is given. Okay, this address is also known as absolute address. If the called up file has come from one directory, one can attach dot and slash where the name of the concerned file before the name of concerned file. Here, note that if no address is given before the file name, browser will believe that called up file is available in the file calling parent file only. Understood, children? Next is method 2. Here ahref is equals to computerstudies.html. Click here to visit theory of rainbow. Anchor tag closed. In this method, instead of giving absolute address, only file name p4.html is given. Only file name. You can see it on screen, children. This method can be used only when we have our called file is stored in file from which it is called. This kind of file is computerstudies.html used for calling is also known as parent file. Here both the files are available in single directory. Here sent for files takes place and called file which is known as related address or relative address. Now children, we will see attributes of tags. To show additional information, attributes are joined to it. Which additional attributes are joined, more information is available about it. The attributes of any element are shown with its opening tag. Students, attributes are of two types. Name of the attribute, value necessary about it. Understood? First we will see name of the attribute. This attribute shows that which attributes have to be arranged. In tag ahref is equals to computerstudies.html. href is the name of attribute. Understood, children? href itself is a name of attribute. Second, we see value necessary for it with href. Value is the value to arranged with the attribute. In tag ahref is equals to computerstudies.html. So here href value is computerstudies.html is the connection which shows value. So the value is shown in two inverted commas between name and value. Equals to sign is placed. Understood, children? Now we go to see alignment attribute. HTML align attribute. The purpose of HTML align attribute is to specify the alignment of data and the justification of text in a cell of a table or in any of the HTML document. Main purpose of this align attribute is to present the text in a uniform and proper manner. Well, here we are having, already you have done in your rest of the other classes. Okay, in MS Office also you have done alignment, children. So here we are seeing three alignment attribute: left, right, center. Left, center, right. As it is, we are having example left alignment where it is H1 text align left, P text align left. H1 is heading, P is paragraph. So you see in the output, children, H1 heading is given in heading size, but it is left aligned. Paragraph is in normal font. Okay, student, this is also our left aligned. Next we are going to center aligned. So it's very simple. You have also done in 9th standard. So you can see the output and understand it. Same with the right alignment. Understood, children? Now let's have a recap of this alignment. The align attribute indicates whether the heading appears to the left center or right of the page. By default, the content is aligned to the left of the page. It can take three values as follows. Understood, children? By default, it is always left side, but we can make it aligned center or right or whichever in justified manner too. Here we can simply give P align is equals to right, the content will be displayed in right side. P align is equals to center, the content will be displayed in center position of the page. There are some attributes which can appear along with every tag. Such attributes are called universal attribute. Understood, children? Being a universal attribute, the align attribute can also go with the heading as shown in H1 align is equals to center heading. Understood, children? Now, children, we go to have the introduction of Cite text editor. Okay, actually it is Scintilla based text editor. Is a text editor for correcting writing. It is dependent on free source code editing, and it is cross platform text editor written by Neil Hodgson. Using the Scintilla editing component, lightweight and built for speed. It is designed mainly for source editing and performs syntax highlighting and inline function reference for many different languages. There is a standalone.exe available for Microsoft Windows intended for USB flash drives. Cite shares some features with other editors based on the Scintilla editing components such as Gani and Notepad++. You can have this feature of first programming feature window of Cite text editor. Children, now we come to know about current version of HTML. As we are updating the different versions of our softwares, so which is the updated version going on for HTML? HTML is the latest evolution of standard that defines HTML. The term represents two different concepts. It is a new version of language HTML with new elements, attributes, and behavior, and a larger set of technologies that allows the building of more diverse and powerful websites and applications. Understood, children? Children, at the end, I am presenting the different tags of HTML. Okay, here we are having HTML, head, title, body, B for bold, I for italic, U for underline, H1 for heading or levels of heading structure, H2 then same. So we are having all H6 till H6 heading 6 levels. Then we are having BR, that is to break, P for paragraph, pre for pre-formatted text, and S for struck off or striken through. Then we are having href, okay, and TT for typewriter font, href for the hypertext reference or which connects the original file with the referred file through the links. We have done all these tags, children. I hope you got understood very well. Go through nicely, make revision of it, and I'll send you the homework. Just nicely perform your homework. Understood, children? Hope so you are getting it. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care of yourself, children.